By now, if you're not using voice commands, you really should start. And Copilot has lots of different ways of you being able to use your voice. Instead of typing all the time, you have a microphone, or you should. And when you click on your microphone, it listens to you. And all you have to do is talk. So rather than constantly typing everything out, try just talking to Copilot. Create an outline for my meeting this afternoon, and it'll do exactly what you asked it to do. Word's not the only one. You also have voice capability inside of Excel, asking it to tell you about the data or analyze the data. And again, you're not constantly typing things in. The other place that you can go is PowerPoint, but in certain screens, you don't have that microphone. So like in the beginning, you don't have that. But if you open Copilot using the Copilot button on the upper right-hand side of all Microsoft products, then yeah, you'll be able to use that microphone again and ask it to create something like, I don't know, maybe a presentation on AI or OneNote, my favorite product on the planet. It also has Copilot built in, but the microphone is only available with the Copilot button, very much like Word and Excel and really the rest of them, or the web application. Here in the web application, you can start the dictation or turn on the microphone. And then, once again, all you have to do is talk. That's it. You can have a conversation with it as if it was a real person and ask it, hey, what can you tell me about my day?